Do it.
What? That's it. Break.
Yeah,
Look at that scary thing.
It's not gonna break.
Boom! Dead. Dead.
It's not gonna break.
Get out of here. It breaks, I swear to God.
Oh.
Hurry up.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
That's your laugh, Shane.
You rolled it good? No! No more!
Put that on fucking YouTube.
I'm gonna put it on Facebook.
Look at the roll of the dice in Jumanji! Fucking stool! No! Look, now there's monkeys! See,
Oh, I've
yeah?
seen this movie, yeah.
That's what you get for rolling freaking dice. You deserve that, monkey. Go! Ha! They're eating all their food.
Get me out of this shit, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Break it.
I'm
Yeah.
Goth. I'm in this video.
Oh, monkeys know how to throw knives. I swear to God, kid, you roll those dice again. Oh, Jesus. Swear to God. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Close it.
Okay. Alright.
Adventurers beware. Do not begin unless you intend to finish. The exciting consequences of the game will vanish only when a player has reached a mark to call out its name. The monkeys are going to put it away. Wait. The instructions say if you finish the game, it'll all go away. You better do it or Aunt Nora's gonna
Swear to God. No, don't you dare.
There's no skill involved.
Do not roll those dice.
No. You roll doubles. You get another turn.
Shane, how far have you been?
So 2 minutes.
In base-wise. In base-wise.
What do you mean base-wise?
And like first base, second base, third
Oh,
base.
that tiger.
Oh, like
attacked
sex
you.
base?
Huh?
Love it like second base.
I don't like it.
You know what second base is?
See? Look! I told you! The tiger! Look at that! Eat him! Eat him! Eat him! Eat
Roll
him!
the dice again, roll the dice again, stupids. I'll be rolling the dice again.
Oh, Jesus, shit.
Wait, who's that guy from Narnia? What's his name?
I don't know. It's real, it's not hallucination, stupids. For this
That's
shit-
so fake!
The tiger would so do that. It's actually a real tiger.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Look at it. No, it's a real tiger, but they animated it to make it look like he can kill it. Look at it though. You can see that his muscles. He's a real tiger.
Yeah, like in the woods. Like out, not in somebody's house though. We're at 3 minutes, 32 seconds.
Wait, what are you doing?
Videotaping this? Are you being stupid?
I'm not being stupid. They're freaking rolling the dice.
You
Like,
smack your face on the TV, dude.
thought I'd go through it. Like that one scary movie. They're all like one girl that comes out of the well. Like, and then she'll just be like. And she's all just like.
We should watch Girl Underwater.
Okay, well, I'm done videotaping this then.
Where's that?